Ever wonder why we hiccup? Most people think it's just a nuisance, but it actually starts as a reflex in our diaphragm. When you eat too quickly, drink carbonated beverages, or even experience sudden temperature changes, it can irritate the diaphragm, causing those involuntary contractions. While hiccups are generally harmless, they can also be your body's way of telling you to slow down or breathe deeply. Fun fact, did you know that holding your breath can actually help stop them? Follow Ever Wonder Why for more daily curiosity bombs.